This episode, an excavator, welding, an excavator to a kickstand. Welcome back to our welder's journey. On this episode, we are in the service truck heading to a work site. The main pins of the excavator tracks are coming out, so we need to do whatever we need to do to keep it in service. Upon closer investigation, the pins are coming out. They lost the back C-clip. Hammer them back in place and jerry-rig some kind of clip. Some kind of plate like that with some back spaces so the pin doesn't move anymore.
Alright. Yeah, I know what we're doing.
This is what I came up with. It's easily weldable and easily removable when we want to remove it. For now, it just has to hold that pin in place. Here she is, welded on in place. I cut off the axis so it doesn't hit the tracks. Let's give it a shot. Looks good to me. The other side also lost the backing C-clip, so I'm gonna make the same plate I did for the other side. These are just temporary repairs. We're gonna order the C-clips and fix it properly as soon as possible, but these machines need to keep on going. If you want to join me on my welding journey, hit that subscribe button. And thank you so much for watching. The excavator is on its way back to work. See you next time.